Hey everybody, Henry here with Apollo Screen and Shade in Atlanta. If you've got French doors and you're trying to figure out the best way to screen them, I want to walk you through your two options today. For most double door openings, we install two screen panels, one on each door, that meet right in the middle when they're closed. That's the standard setup, and it's the best choice if you're walking through those doors all day long, letting the kids and the dog in and out. But if your opening is on the narrower side, under about 65 inches, we can actually install a single screen that covers the whole thing, one panel, no center bar. Nothing to look at, nothing sitting in the middle of your view. It's perfect if you're using those doors more for airflow than constant foot traffic. Either way, here's what you get with Apollo. These screens disappear completely when you're not using them. Retraction is smooth and controlled, and every screen is custom measured and built for your exact opening, not something off the shelf. 20 years in this business means we've built these for just about every door out there. You can call or come and see both options for yourself at our Marietta showroom or check us online.